Hey guys, welcome back to Thumpstar. Today we've got the TSB 70s. You might see some footage of our genuine Thumpstar stunt riders having a bit of fun on these. They are great entry motorcycles. We're just going to take you through them right now. So we'll start with the front end of these TSB 70s. We have got our Thumpstar number plate and the storage box, which is quite spacious, has a GoPro mount on the top, has all the room for whatever you need to put in there. And inside we've got our Apple AirTag slot where you can put a GPS tracker of your liking. Moving along, we've got upgraded thicker wiring, waterproof wiring. We've got the Thumpstar gripper seat, pipe bomb exhaust. We've got our new modern plastics, which are very, very nice. We've got the caged airbox with a dual stage oiled air filter inside. Not just your normal pod filter. This is a proper filter, just like you get on your motocross bike. You've got the CNC chain adjusters down on the rear here, giving a bit of extra strength and durability. The motor features an all-up design, so it is neutral at the bottom, 1, 2, 3, and 4. It is a clutchless design as well, which is perfect for your youngsters, meaning they can still learn to change gears without having to worry about the complication of the clutch. This bike also features drum brakes front and rear and conventional forks. The bike also comes complete with a genuine Thumpstar spare parts kit, including colour change kits and a whole heap of spare bits and pieces for your motorcycle. These can be ordered either in the crate or assembled, depending on your liking. Up the front here, we have got the adjustable throttle governing screw. All you need to do is crack the nut and adjust the screw. That will restrict the amount of throttle that can be opened, which is another great feature when you're starting out your youngsters and you are concerned about their safety. The TSB 70 also features a new upgraded fuel cap, which has a better seal and prevents any damage to the tank. That's a fantastic feature. This fairing section here is actually removable. There is actually a cut line along there where you can remove that piece if you just want to change the aesthetics of your bike, and nice heavy duty pegs as well. So the TSB 70 has the beautiful pipe bomb exhaust, which features a very nice throaty note, and we have the forged Kickstarter, which is a lot stronger than your cast units. It's going to give you a lot longer life in service. If we focus our attention here on the Airbox, we'll notice a 4-digit numbering code there. This code applies to all of our designed in Australia parts and is a very simple way to identify and locate any of the parts that are designed right here in Australia. Thumpstar TSB 70, as we've said, targeted at the entry level, the youngsters that are just learning to ride for the first time. These are a fantastic value for money bike. Any information that you'd like, thumpstar.com.au is where you're going to find all of that info.